Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the LG RISIO 3 from Cricket Wireless. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this video or any other videos that you may want me to make in the future. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and actually take a good look at this LG RISIO 3 from Cricket Wireless. So I was alerted to this by a YouTube video by the name of LG V20 User HD. Thank you, bro, for being such a good reporter on this stuff. So, and here I am, go ahead and showing it to you. But guys, leave LG V20 User HD some love on his video as well, and subscribe to his channel. He puts in a lot of work. All right, so the key features of this phone are 5-inch display, a 720p Android 7.1.2 installed, 1.4 quad core Snapdragon processor, 2500 milliamp battery, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and 16 gigabytes of ROM. So man, what to say about this phone? I mean, it's like so 2016, like it just screams like 2015, 2016. And I understand budget models and budget friendly and all this other stuff, but it's just like, man, come on, like you could have at least put a little bit more into this phone, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Something to just kind of stand it out, you know, because now all of a sudden they want to be like, oh yeah, you know. And the way it looks, it's just like, the look of it is just so like humdrum, like same old, same old. If you can see here, it just looks the same as like every other LG phone out there, and it just like depresses me to look at this thing, to be honest with you guys. I mean, I guess it's okay for, you know, your average smartphone user and blah blah, but like, what is really like the attraction here? What is like the, you know, says 5-inch display, a large screen that gives you the visual experience you deserve with brilliant color and remarkable clarity. And you know, they're gonna go over all this stuff, and it's just like meh to me. You know, it's just like, you know, give us something a little bit extra that is like, okay, yeah, we know you're a budget phone, we know you're a low end phone, but like something a little bit like, just like, you know, maybe a bigger display, or like a dual camera like the Blade Z Max, or some kind of like cool texture on the back. You know, this, like the Blade Z Max, it came at a time, and it actually brings something like kind of new to the table, you know what I'm saying, or kind of, or at least not new, but you know, something like that's fresh. You know, it's like, this thing's not fresh at all. Like this, the freshness of this phone, like you're gonna sit this phone next to something else and it's just like meh. 2500 milliamp battery, like nobody gets excited about a 2500 milliamp battery. It's just like, no. 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage, that's like it's just like, okay, it's just like barely squeaking by right now on the whole low mid budget type thing. And it's just like, I don't know, it just gets annoying when you see these phones and it's just like the same old. And I mean, it's the LG RISIO 3, so what can I expect? But anyways, I don't know what you guys think. I mean, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh yeah, you know, it's just the best and it's just like, you know, I'm pretty truthful, you know what I'm saying. Back when I was at Cricket Wireless and they were doing it, yeah, you know, LG RISIO, you know, was a budget phone, you know what I'm saying. And but it's just like too much now. It's just like really, come on now guys, it's like you can do a little bit better than that. It's just like they're really just slacking. But anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Hopefully this is going to be a free phone for everybody, and let me know if you guys like this phone or like this content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching.